Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Sorry if my face looks a little puffy. I'm actually coming down with a cold. So I'm not sure if it's a cold, but I'm starting to feel it like in my throat, the whole deal. So either way, posted about this video earlier. There was some issues with the video, had to redo it, and I just had realized I deleted the whole video instead of just making edits. I said, okay, let me just redo the whole video. So sorry about taking that video down. This is the correct version. But either way, thank you guys for watching this video as always. So now what are we talking about? We've partnered with a few of the top banks in the credit card industry, and of course even some subprime banks as well too, to help you find the perfect match for your particular credit situation. It's pretty simple. If you've ever heard of any of the banks, Bank of America, Chase, Capital One, First Premier, the list goes on. And then if you've gotten letters in the mail as possible offers, if you've gotten any email offers from them, but you're not sure which ones to kind of go by, we're going to help you find that perfect match. All you have to do is go to the link down below, and there's no it's a soft pull, so it's not a hard inquiry, not a soft, no hard inquiry, no hard pull, and just very, very basic information. It's going to be a soft pull, and it's going to pretty much look up which banks have sent you something in your email that you may qualify for now, which banks that have sent you something via in the mail recently that you should qualify for now, and then you'll be able to make that decision upon yourself on which ones you kind of want to go with. We get questions all the time via email. People call the office all the time saying, hey, I don't know which credit card to kind of go with. This is going to be the best option for you. And as a bonus, as a gift, you get to download our free checklist as well too. Just a quick credit checklist, kind of like a worksheet almost, and you're able to kind of check that out. Just a couple other free tips to kind of go along the way. But either way, the link is down below. All you gotta do is just get that. You'll get the worksheet and everything. And if you want to go straight to the actual perfect match, that'll be in there as well too. Okay. So, but either way, that's the end of the video because I want to make sure I covered everything before you guys start hearing the whole sickness in my voice. Also, a couple of you guys asked me about the hoodie that I got on as well too. Don't worry, you're gonna see a lot more of the merchandise that I'm gonna be wearing going forward. I don't really wear a lot of like name brand stuff, so I was like, let me just start making my own stuff and just kind of keeping it simple. I'm not trying to start a clothing line or anything like that. Just keeping it extremely simple stuff, positive stuff. I know a lot of people watch the videos in hopes to become homeowners, new landlords, and I've created a lot of landlords here locally in Chicago, and I got about maybe 6 or 7 pre-approved, and we got we got a lot of landlords on the way. The market is amazing. I don't care what anyone says. If listen, as long as the bank got money, you will always have money. As long as the bank has money, you will always have assets. It's just that simple. I don't care. You have to step away from the negative people in your life. I'm telling you, you can accomplish this stuff. You have to be around it all the time. Okay. So either way, don't want to have the video go a different direction. But if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.